In this tutorial, you'll learn how to play a frame animation using AnimationPlayer in Godot. We already have a 2D player scene with an animated sprite 2D that includes animations like idle, walk, and attack. Now we'll use AnimationPlayer to control the attack animation using a frame track. Let's get started. Here I have a player scene. Inside the player node, I already added an animated sprite 2D node. This animated sprite 2D contains 3 animations: idle, walk, attack. Each animation is created using sprite frames inside the sprite frames resource. Right now, the animations work normally if we switch them manually, but instead of directly playing animations from code, we'll control them using AnimationPlayer. Select the player node. Click Add Child Node and add an AnimationPlayer node. AnimationPlayer lets us control animations, timing, events, and properties visually. Now select AnimationPlayer and press New Animation. Let's name this animation Attack Anim. With AnimationPlayer selected, click Add Track. Choose Property Track. Now select Animated Sprite 2D. Then choose Frame. This creates a frame track that lets us manually control which frame is shown over time. Now select Animated Sprite 2D. You'll notice that the bottom panel will switch to Sprite Frame. So find Animation tab and click on it to show AnimationPlayer Editor. Click the key icon to insert the first keyframe. Set the frame value to 0. Now move forward in the timeline and insert new keyframes. Increase the frame value step by step. Frame 1, Frame 2, Frame 3, and so on. Each key represents a sprite frame. You are basically recreating the attack animation frame by frame inside AnimationPlayer. Press play in AnimationPlayer to preview. You should now see the attack animation playing using the frame track. Make sure the animation length matches your attack duration. Now let's trigger it from script. Open the player script. Here I already write code for basic move left and move right input. You can setting it by go to Project Setting and look for Input tab. Add logic to detect attack input, and then call AnimationPlayer Play Attack Animation. You can find final code at description. Now when we press the attack button, AnimationPlayer drives the frame animation. Using AnimationPlayer gives you precise timing control, event triggering, animation blending, sound or hitbox synchronization. It's perfect for attack animations or cinematic actions. And that's how you play frame animation using AnimationPlayer in Godot.